Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we will discuss if elites want to relist XRP. But before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also, hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away. There have been many important events concerning Coinbase and XRP, and this has led many to believe that Coinbase is preparing to make a relisting of XRP. Of course, the entire XRP community is waiting for official statements about this. According to Whale Alert and some reports, several large XRP transactions are moving between crypto exchanges. One of them is the US-based exchange Coinbase. This raises whether the exchange will relist XRP soon. 208.6 million XRP shoveled by Coinbase. If possible, they relist XRP. Some in the community have begun to talk about possible relisting of coins that may happen soon. Because Coinbase moved a large amount of Ripple's native token, some XRP proponents begin to speculate on the possibility that XRP might be on the way soon. Cryptocurrencies are sent from one Coinbase wallet to another. 5 significant transactions carry 208.6 million XRP tokens. Coinbase's market share here is 2 transfers, totaling 88.6 million XRP. Coinbase was the first crypto exchange to suspend XRP trading in January 2021 after the SEC sued Ripple Labs in late December 2020. The regulator also sued Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse and its co-founder Christopher Larsen for selling XRP, which the SEC claims are unregistered security. The litigation continues to this day. These XRP transfers between Coinbase's internal wallets have sparked speculation by some commenters who suggest that Coinbase may be willing to resume XRP trading. As of early 2021, when the exchange suspended trading of XRP pairs, it still allows customers to store XRP on their wallets there and deposit and withdraw as they wish. The other 3 XRP trades were conducted by US-based crypto exchange Bittrex with Mexican crypto unicorns Bitso and Europe-based Bitstamp. Bittrex transferred 20 million XRP to Bitso and sent the same amount to Bitstamp. Both exchanges act as Ripple ODL corridors in Latin America and the European Union. In the end, 89 million XRP was transferred by the Korean exchange Bithumb internally. The total amount of XRP transferred includes $166,483,409 at the current exchange rate of XRP USD. For XRP and its parent company Ripple, ongoing Securities and Exchange Commission litigation has provided a significant headwind for this token for some time. It appears the current ongoing geopolitical environment is one that's overshadowing otherwise bullish takes on this litigation from investors of late. While many had previously viewed cryptocurrencies such as XRP as low correlation assets relative to stocks, this view is being challenged by the price action of most tokens right now. The extent to which macro forces are overshadowing token-specific catalysts is perhaps clearest with XRP right now. That's because recent movement on the SEC litigation against Ripple has been mostly positive. Reports that documents will be unsealed for the public to view, and analysis showing that commentary from the judge presiding over the case appears to favor Ripple supporting the view that XRP could be due for a significant rebound. In any case, the potential for a resolution to this ongoing litigation in the near term is something that has been viewed positively until this recent war-driven bearish outlook on risk assets. Perhaps the recent surge in value XRP tokens have seen of late is partly responsible for today's outsized move lower. We've seen volatility work in both directions in the crypto world, and this amplified volatility has been more prevalent of late, to be sure. The higher a specific token goes in a short amount of time, the more room it has to fall, theoretically speaking. Ripple and XRP appear to remain high beta bets on movements within the crypto market right now. Accordingly, XRP is a token that many ought to view as one that may continue to see more volatility than its peers for some time. Until this cryptocurrency's price action settles down, those looking for conservative long-term crypto investments may want to seek out their mega cap tokens, at least for now. XRP price prediction 2022. XRP price has commenced the new year on a bearish note as there was a vast buildup of sell pressure. XRP ranged between 84 and 85 cents in the month of January. The altcoin has surged ahead in February as confidence in the market rises that there might be an end in sight to this case brought by US financial regulators. From 16th to the 18th of February, the complete on-chain volume for XRP rose from 1.95 billion to 2.95 billion, addressing a 51% increase. Nonetheless, the cost dropped by almost 12% in a similar period, flagging a uniqueness. The price slumped to 70 cents as tensions between Russia and Ukraine reached a fever pitch by the end of February. Overall, however, the Ripple versus SEC case is expected to drive some outcome in 2022, and as an outcome, most of the exchanges are expected to relist the currency. And in such a scenario, the XRP price would experience an immensely positive impact, where it may have even driven the XRP price at a potential high of $2.50. On the contrary, the XRP price would remain around the potential low of 99 cents or below if the hearing continues next year. XRP price prediction 2023. By the end of 2023, if the series of events occurs as predicted, then the possibility of the price hitting a new milestone around its current ATH is high. Moreover, the price could successfully form new highs and range towards $3.10. If the lawsuit has no impact on the price, the normal buying and selling will restrict the price below its current ATH at $2.75. On the contrary, if the SEC further pushes the lawsuit or decision against XRP, the altcoin would end up trading at $1.20. XRP price prediction for the next 5 years. Ripple is also expected to work with more European and Latin American banks to promote XRP and Ripple payment technology. Such advances could lead to significant price changes in the token price of the XRP. This can draw further investors and cause the XRP price to march towards the set target initially at $5 and later at $10. If the market is subjected to a crash at any time in the next 5 years as it did, the price can reduce to approximately 50% and see its low at $3.11. However, suppose Ripple manages to carry over the persisting investors by maintaining a steady network and tops as a cheap exchange medium by the end of the next 5 years. In that case, the price may be seen at an average figure of $6.74. XRP market prediction. Digital coin price. A website for crypto prediction, digitalcoinprice.com, has revised its Ripple price prediction that XRP will hit 84 cents by the end of 2022. In 2023, they predict that the price might trade at $1.13 by 2024, which is twice its current price. And by 2025, the price may reach $1.30. Trading Beasts. Trading Beasts have made an ambitious outlook for 2022 and has changed their forecast of the maximum price would be $1.06. The minimum is at 72 cents, and the average price by the year end is 85 cents. By the end of 2025, XRP price would trade at an average price of $1.52. Wallet Investor. According to Wallet Investor, their altered price forecast states that XRP price might surge gradually and hit an average of $1.22. XRP price is forecasted to hit the maximum of $1.55 and a minimum being 90 cents in 2022. They suggest XRP will be a profitable investment and quote an average price of $3.60 by 2025. Gov Capital. Gov Capital rolls out an extremely bullish prediction as they hope the price will hit $1.09 by the end of 2022. And with average trades, the price may reach 95 cents by the end of 2022. Interestingly, the platform predicts the price to stumble in 2023, crashing to $1.42 and bouncing back to $4.26 by 2024 to 2025. Our XRP price predictions. The institutional support and partnerships will positively impact Ripple along with its price perspective. According to Coinpedia's formulated XRP price prediction, with such positive market sentiments, XRP may get a boost, and it may hit $2 by the end of 2021. On the downside, the lawsuit may negatively affect the traders if the case is held back till next year. If this happens, Ripple will lose a huge sector of its investors and the price might drop to 56 cents. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then.